AGM though actually it has gone very well today, and the first part is the government and Indian Olympic Association and Olympic Association of every state and association is in one line. And then from the history of the Indian Olympic Association, first time we are starting the Athletic Commission forum tomorrow. So that is the first initiative, because earlier it was it is there IOC is doing, but we have not done. But both good sportsmen tomorrow, eminent sports person are coming, and we are doing that. That is the important one. And some of the now we are going to initiative enhance the money of the every federation we give. Like earlier it was 7 lakhs, now we made it 20 lakhs for the every federations, and for every state Olympic Association earlier it was 7 lakhs and we made it to 10 lakhs. So then whatever players want, we wanted to make IOA as an athletic centric, and whatever the players need when they go for the competition, and supporting system, and IOA ready to provide.